Tog, everyone. It's the boy Bly here with IronCross Racing. Decided to hop on the old scoot, the Silver Bullet, get out here and start shooting some vids. This is something that not too many people know about me, but it has affected my life, at least over the last couple years, and kind of my look on life and my outlook on life. 2 years ago, I suffered what's called a TIA, or a mini stroke. Yeah, I know. It's like, whoa, stroke? What? Huh? How's he still riding a motorcycle? So mini stroke is a temporary blockage of a blood vessel in the brain that lasts for no more than, say, 5 minutes. Usually has no irreparable damage. So, you know, you kind of suffer the symptoms of a stroke. You know, slurred speech, droopy face, that whole 9 yards.
Ted!
I'm alive, Johnny!
Oh my God!
I'm alive! Your magical ways worked!
You're back!
Yeah, I mean, you know, when you sewed me up, you put some of the stuffing in the wrong places, so I'm a little fucked up. But will you take care of me forever and ever? Nah, I'm just kidding you. I thought it'd be funny if you thought I was fucking retarded.
But there's no prolonged effect. So luckily for me, I was able to recover fully. Quite a scary ordeal for me. Woke one morning, hopped in the shower, kind of felt a little weird. Looked in the mirror, was like talking to myself a little bit, and ultimately it was like, why am I talking so goddamn slow? It's like your brain's kind of working, but your body's not, you know, kind of doing what it needs to be doing. Hop out of the shower, look in the mirror, see my face drooping on one side. I'm like, oh yeah, something's not right. So get rushed to the hospital, you know, start checking me out. By that time, it already kind of subsided. Yeah, that was quite scary, especially for my age, which I'm not incredibly old at all. Yeah, so what I decided to do at that point was that whole incident, you know, kind of got, you know, it's kind of like when you have those near-death experiences, which I've had a few in my life, so this isn't like the first. But this was probably the biggest one where I was like, you know what, need to start living a little bit more like every day is going to be your last, because it just might be. That's when I decided to get back more into motorcycling. You know, I've been doing it over the last 20 years, but I'm just like, I want to spend more time focusing on doing it. And also, you know, it's one of those, everybody likes, and I've said this before in other videos, you know, don't wait until, you know, the end of your life, work all your life, and then you expect some kind of glorious retirement where, you know, you can sit on a beach for the next 20 years when your big pile of money that you've been saving up. Guess what? I've seen more and more people die before retirement than I'd care to mention. And guess what? They worked their entire life and didn't get any of that. So that big pile of money that they were saving up just went to their kids, which is awesome. But you know what? It's like, you need to save for retirement. You need to save for that Shangri-La when you get to those retirement years. But at the same time, you don't let that deter you from doing all the things you want to do before that. Your bucket list, you should be doing it now. I'm talking 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, it doesn't matter. All that stuff, technically, by the time you retire, you shouldn't really feel like you need to go do anything. Or you should have like a second bucket list. Okay, I've done my first bucket list, now what am I going to do with the second bucket list? That's what you should be doing. Based on that little incident, I think it's really affected me and how I approach life now. I'm more thankful for everything. I'm thankful for technically every day that I wake up and I'm okay. I'm not putting anything off. It's not like, oh, I don't got money for that, or I don't want to do that, or I can do that later. It's like time with the family, time with friends, time with riding, doing the things I love, time for adventures. I mean, that's all happening now. It's like, because the future is so unpredictable at this point. Who knows? Because the worst that's going to end up happening is I have another stroke. This time it's a regular stroke, and I lose quite a bit of mobility at that point. I tell myself that I still would try to learn how to ride, get a trike, get some controls. Maybe I can only operate on one side. I don't know. It's like I'd want to stick to it, but I'd have to see what shape I'm in at that point. Balance and coordination and, you know, reflexes and all that good stuff. But yeah, if that happens, you know, I'm not going to be able to do the things I like to do. So, a little personal, but you know, it's a big part of who I am right now. So again, I want to thank you for watching. If you haven't already, go ahead and press that like button. Also, if you could, go ahead and press that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that bell notification so you can get alerted whenever I release a new video. I try to do at least one a week. Stay tuned for more good content coming from your boy here, Bly, at IronCross Racing. I will catch you later. Peace.